Still ahead here on Good Morning Arizona, herbs and spices that can make you healthy. We're going to find out which ones can do everything from lowering your blood pressure all the way to helping you breathe a little better. Welcome back, everyone. All right, if you want to make yourself feel a little better, it's as simple as adding some herbs. That's right. Dr. Ed Lamadrid is here joining us with a few ideas. We're talking about things to lower your blood pressure, even help maybe at your asthma.
Absolutely.
How do simple spices make a difference like that?
So spices and food, I mean, this is food as medicine.
Okay.
And a lot of our medications are actually coming from plant-based. You know, they're looking for active ingredients. What are the components that are actually treating symptoms? And a lot of research is actually being done on some of these spices.
Okay.
And so these are my top 8 that we should really be incorporating into our diet.
Okay, I love this because this is something you might have in your home right now.
Easy to find, which is great.
Ginger is the first thing.
So we start out with ginger. Ginger is an anti-inflammatory herb and actually great for stomach problems as well, and can boost the immune system.
Okay, and when you say adding this to your diet or to your cooking, how much are we talking about? How often do you want it?
So some of these herbs are actually really strong and really pungent, so a little bit is actually better than a lot.
We've heard how garlic is good for us.
Garlic, antifungal, antibiotic, antiviral, but it has also been shown to lower blood pressure.
All right. We love our Mexican food here in the Phoenix area and in Arizona. Cilantro, very common in a lot of things.
Cilantro actually is being shown to be what's called a chelator. So it has the property of pulling heavy metals out of body tissue.
Oh, okay.
And so there's research being done with cilantro and Alzheimer's.
And really?
Yes.
Wow. What are they saying about that?
Well, so one of the components with Alzheimer's is a buildup of aluminum in the brain, which destroys certain areas of the brain, causing the dementia and Alzheimer's. And so this cilantro is able to pull heavy metals out, and so they're researching if it can do that with aluminum.
Wow. That's amazing. Now, you have a couple that you say can also help you with stomach problems.
Yes.
A lot of people experience even mild symptoms.
Absolutely. So mint is one of those herbs that actually opens up the airways, so it's great for breathing.
Okay.
Can treat asthma symptoms, but it's also good for some indigestion and also IBS, irritable bowel syndrome.
All right, and then what do you have next here?
Turmeric. So turmeric is one of those super powerful herbs, anti-inflammatory, but it also has been showing promise with anti-cancer and anti-tumor.
Oh, okay, very good, very good. Next we have, that looks like rosemary.
Rosemary, very pungent, great for anxiety and depression, and also stomach problems as well.
Okay, so a lot of them seem to touch on the stomach problem, which is interesting. Is this basil?
Basil. Basil, great for stomach. So, nausea, vomiting, stomach pain, and indigestion.
All right. Is this cinnamon?
Cinnamon. And
see, I do cook a little bit.
And so, but this is great because a lot of these herbs people are already familiar with.
Yes, yes.
So cinnamon is an anti-inflammatory herb and has also been shown to regulate blood sugar. Okay,
now when we look at all these things, we're looking at mostly the fresh version. Does it matter if you use the fresh, if you use the ground, the things in a bottle?
Well, fresh is better.
Okay.
But then ground would be great also. The important thing is to start incorporating it into your diet.
All right, Dr. Lamadrid, we're going to check in with you a little later on for more tips on using herbs, right? And acupuncture as well. Acupressure too.